Guys, if you trade stocks or even thinking about trading stocks, you got to check out the #1 stock screener, DDAmanda. Find winning stocks and make money. Okay, I got it all bolted together preliminarily. These are 4-inch, well, they're 3.5, but I'm going to make them 4-inch because when you drill into end grain, you got to be long. And then here I've got a turnbuckle for a fine adjustment of this board, this end right here. And another one, another turnbuckle up there. And this is, you know, beveled and 3 screws. And the whole thing swings, you see that? Whole thing's gonna rock in the wind. Minimum damage to the tree. I just, drilled some hooks in there. That doesn't really hurt them at all because the wood on the inside is pretty much dead. All the action happens on the outside. Okay, next we're going to put in 2x4 framing. Okay, both of these trees have pretty significant lean, but this one really does. And I'm afraid that it may fall down one day. Anyway, what I'm going to do, I've got a brace here just for the hell of it, in case it wants to start. But what I want to do is take some weight off of this. Take some weight off of the end to make the stress less. So I'm going to go up there with my trusty GTA 26. It's one of the best things I ever bought. I love this thing. So here we go. The trick about climbing is only move one thing at a time. One hand, one arm. One leg. To where you always have 3 things that you're holding on to. Sorry guys, right here my camera really fucked up. I'm going to cut this one right here. Now the trick to cutting these is you got to cut the bottom first. And then you cut the top. There she goes. Cool. That took a lot of weight off. Yeah, that took a lot of weight off. Now it needs to fall all the way down. It is a long way down. Oh fuck. Haha, you guys are scared, huh? Yeah, it came down all the way. Cool. Now all I gotta do is cut this up and haul it out of here. I love this thing. Yeah, I wanted to do an overview here, kind of go over some of the details of what's been happening so far. Um, so for starters, I found places to drive these in, okay? And I'm suspending all these boards. All these boards are suspended, okay? And this doesn't hurt the tree much because the inside of the tree is dead. All the action happens on the outside on the bark, so there's very minimal damage here. And all these boards are suspended. And to cut this angle, I put the board up against this, like it was like this, and then I just looked at this angle and transferred it to right there using using this. You know, I just went like that, and the board was flat, and then I just made a mark, and then I cut it, and then reinforced it here and on the inside. And I bent these in my vise, okay? I'll show you guys how to do that. And then I drove in. Once I had everything suspended. Oh yeah, and here's the turnbuckle right there. That provides fine adjustment. So if this one gets really loose, I will lower this and just keep it so that both of these, this one and that one, sort of have equal tension. And then so once I had this angle, I just held the board up against this and held the board up against it and drilled a hole in line with that board, okay? Drilled it through this and a little bit into here. And these are 4-inch drywall screws or deck screws. You have to, when you're screwing into end grain, you need a lot of length, okay? Because it's really weak. But 4 inches is long enough to where these buried, see? And I got little washers here. So here's kind of like a top view here. And you can see the whole thing, the whole thing moves. And I've started putting the cross beams on. I'm going to go into details on how that works. Again, 4-inch going into these 2x4s. And I cut the rabbet here, not a rabbit, a rabbet, because the plywood's going to lay inside here, and then you won't see the edge of the plywood because of that. So anyway, hope that makes things a little clearer. A little clearer. Don't you hate it when people turn statements into questions? It's a verbal virus, and it's infected everybody. They say it came from Australia. They like it when you pull on their jowls like this. This is Inca. She's my best dog. Hi, Inca. And this is Perlita. Perlita! Yeah, you guys are on TV. You're going to be famous on YouTube. Yes. Ow! Don't you jump on me. Okay, that's it. Here's just a few examples of stocks that DDAmanda found. Here you got a 5-factor scan alert. Next day she's up 59%. Now all this is on the right side here is just 200 days worth of trading data. You have your date, your dollars traded, the price it closed at, this factor that's proprietary to the program. This is how we find these. The volume, the low of the day, high of the day open, and then percentage up or percentage down. LVGI, 200-day low scan alert, and look at this drag ratio maxed out, up 50% and then 75%. IGEX, 200-day low scan alert, 7-factor, next day up 47%. Again, another 200-day low scan alert, up the next day 106%. These are easy to find with our scanner. So if you want to make money trading stocks, DDAmanda is your answer. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the number one stock screener and scanner that's out there. Um, and it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.